In this video, you will learn how to fix Twitch not sending a verification code. Check your spam or junk folder. Sometimes Twitch emails end up in your spam folder. Make sure all your email tabs include promotions or others. Wait a few minutes. Email codes can be delayed. Wait 5 to 10 minutes before trying again to avoid multiple failed attempts. Resend the verification code. Go back to Twitch's verification screen, then click resend code. Do not request it too many times in a short period. Use a different browser or device. Try logging in from another browser on your phone or a different device. Sometimes browser extensions or cache issues can block email triggers. Check your email address for typos. Make sure you've entered the correct email address when signing up or logging into Twitch. Even a small typo can prevent delivery to your email. Add Twitch as a safe sender. In your email settings, add the Twitch domain to your safe sender list or whitelist it to ensure future emails. Contact Twitch support. If nothing works, reach out to Twitch support and explain the issue. They can help manually verify your account. Now you know how to fix Twitch not sending verification codes. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.